What's going on, people? G-Man here. Yeah, another Hemi video. Well, you guys know GM and Hemis and Mopars is what I do. Anyway, we added 392. Misfiring pretty good at number 5. Did the traditional injector inspection, inject the flow, check the sparks, make sure everything's firing. Number 5 is missing. Compression, 30 to 60. Way too low. We're looking for 150 to 180, right? Leak down. Leak down on the exhaust. Well, the leak down came down to 90%, which is, you got something open. All right? Now, all that's called diagnostics. Took the right cylinder, the left cylinder head off. Valve seats protruded through, keeping the valve open. When the air is applied on the leak down gauge, and I wish I would have showed you guys the procedure, but any questions, hit me up. You can definitely hear it coming out of the exhaust. All right, guys, so we're doing a cylinder head on this one, okay? It's a 392. Any questions, hit me up. That's a diagnostic flow pattern. G-Man out.